Hello and welcome back to Star Knowledge channel. Today we are going to discuss how to install Linux subsystem on Windows 10. Uh, so question is, what is Linux? Linux is an operating system. It's an open source operating system and it is used by hackers, ethical hackers. So uh, ethical hackers only need the terminal of this operating system to access tools to test the web applications and other softwares. So to install this operating system on the Windows 10, you have to go to Start and then type CMD command prompt. Then here you will type a command WSL install. So it will search for the Linux operating system and try to install it. So you see I have already installed it. It's like about 1 GB in size, so it's not very high. So it's now launching the Ubuntu operating system. We will wait, and now you see we got the terminal here. It's the Linux terminal, bash terminal. Here we can use all the Linux commands and install all the softwares we usually install on a Linux operating system. So you can see when you go to this PC, and here you see there is a Linux subsystem installed, and these are all folders here like home and all you usually get in a Linux operating system. We can use the Linux command like dir to see in which directory we are. You see there are all the directories we see in a Linux operating system. So this is helpful for those who like Linux operating system and they want to have it with their Windows operating system. So they can use all the applications that ethical hackers use in a Linux operating system. So thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe this channel, and happy to help.